What's up guys? Welcome back to A Trucker's Life. Here we are once again getting back on the road. I'm excited to get back on the road. I was out, sorry guys, I haven't put any updates up. I haven't let y'all know what's going on, but I got some personal stuff going on at home, and I'm just gonna leave it at that. And yeah, just haven't kind of been a little down, a little sad of the situation, but now I just come to realize that I have to make light of this situation, and I have to make this positive, and I gotta keep on moving on for the family, and be that rock for my family member that is going through some stuff right now, including myself. I've been going through a couple of medical things, just going to get checkups and stuff like that, so trying to get myself right also. But yeah guys, I'm excited to be back to work. I'm ready to be back on the road. This whole week of being off was it's kind of like this, like I said, but I got to spend a lot of time with my kids, which was awesome. I got to spend time with family members that I normally don't get to spend time with. It was just family wise, it was just great. It was good for me. I enjoyed that part. Just the other stuff that's a little bit down, but we got to remain strong and we got to get past this. So today I'm going to Abingdon, Virginia. You guys have already been there with me a few times. The situation in Houston is messed up right now. There's a bridge on I-10 that's been taken out by a barge actually because of the floods and stuff. So there's a big diversion. It's going to be hours to get around it, but luckily in Houston we can go up 59 and then go across, get up to 20 and be able to go that way. So it's not a total fail, but it's going to be a little difficult. But yeah guys, just a little bit of update of what's going on with me. I'm happy, so happy to be back for real. I missed you guys. I missed the vlog. I enjoy doing it. So we're back at it. And right now that I'm looking around, I'm walking around, I'm actually just walking. I'm actually looking at you guys and looking at my tires, and I see something that's a little disheartening, but that's what it is. It's a nail. There's a nail right there. See it? Right there. Hopefully, try to take it out right now. Hopefully it didn't go through, all the way through. But that happens out here with all these, hazards on the road. There's always something you're gonna run over, right? Is that a nail too? No, these are just rocks. I'll get them out too before I leave. But yeah guys, let's get the day started. Let's get on the road. Hopefully we have a great day. And let's get this nail off this tire. Quick little update. I got the nail out. See it right there. And I poured a little bit of water right here, and there's no bubbles. Good thing, no bubbles. It didn't go very far. See, it's that. Yeah, it didn't go very far, so we're good. All right. Man, this is a bad situation. It seems like, I don't know if you guys can tell, right, let's see, right past that light pole on the right hand side, there's a plume of smoke. All that area over there is all refineries. I don't know if it's the refinery that's on fire, that just caught fire, or there was an accident on the other side of the bridge, because there is an ambulance trying to get over here, or trying to get there. But how? I mean, it's good. If somebody's dying, they're gonna die by the time this ambulance gets over there, because you see the situation. It's a 2-lane highway, 2-lane bridge, and there's nowhere to go. Like, where is everybody supposed to get out of the way at? Oh man, bad situation. That kind of out of the way. It's all about teamwork. It's all about trying to help each other out, because we wouldn't want our family member to be over there hurt and needing rescue or needing some type of help. So guys, always try to do what you can to help out, or just stay out of the way. All right, guys, let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can move here in a little bit. All right, unfortunately it does seem like it is a semi. Shot there, Mr. Officer. We'll run you over. If there's anything bad or something to see, I'll just blur it out. But as of now, it just looks like the semi caught fire. Ooh, there is nothing left. Okay, all right, little sigh of relief here. I'm pretty sure that was the driver. I don't know if you guys saw him showing me the deuce, so he's good. Seems like it was just the truck caught fire, and there was no other vehicles involved in the accident. So, big sigh of relief. I don't know him, but I feel him, and thank God that he's fine and he's good. Truck can be replaced. Truck can be replaced. That's good. All right, that ended in a good note. Not that his truck burned down was a good note. It just ended in a good note that nobody got hurt, and it seems like the driver was fine. Was able to get out of the truck safe. So, yes, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. All right, let's go pick up this trailer finally. Get out of here. All right, let's get out of here. Got our trailer. Everything looks good. Check tires, lights, make sure everything is latched correctly. So we have a green light and we're good to go. Let's see what other mess we have to deal with later on. I don't know what's going on in Beaumont after all the big floods and stuff. So we'll see. We'll just take it easy and get on down the road. There's nothing else we can do. Live it and make it. All right, my guys and my gals, mis amigos y amigas, thank you again, once again, for coming to my channel to be able to watch my vlog. And I don't even know what to say. Now, but on a serious note, guys, thanks again for being here one more time with me, my familia, for being here. I'm sorry again. This vlog is a little bit long, but I'm sorry again for taking so long to vlog again. I need to get back on the grind, which I am going to. I think I'm going to stick to a once every other day vlog, and we're going to grind it out, get her done. So the next time I'm going to see you guys, we should be almost should be at Abingdon already by then. So hope you guys have a productive day, a productive week. Guys, love one another, help one another, be there for anybody that needs help, no matter what. Unconditionally, you should help the person, whoever needs it. Try to help them out. That being said, guys, peace, and I'm out of here.